Bonjour et bienvenue à cette balado qui traite exclusivement d'éducation, de pédagogie et de didactique. Je m'appelle Marc-André Girard. Bienvenue au rendez-vous pédagogique de l'école branchée. Bonjour à tous, je suis présentement en Finlande, au magnifique village qui s'appelle Savonlinna, situé environ à 2 heures à l'est d'Helsinki, près des frontières de la frontière russe. Et je suis à l'école normale de l'université qui est affiliée à l'université de la Finlande orientale. Et présentement, j'ai la chance de m'entretenir avec Aleksi Komu, qui est finlandais d'origine évidemment, et qui est conseiller pédagogique au niveau des technologies. Alors, on va se parler en anglais parce que c'est la langue, disons, mitoyenne entre nous. So, Aleksi, how are you doing?
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Thank you, I'm fine.
Good, nice to meet you, and thank you for welcoming me at your school.
Yeah.
So, Aleksi, can you just, before you tell us what you're doing here,
Yes.
can you tell us what is your background? What did you study? How did you become, you call that a design curriculum?
ICT designer.
ICT designer.
Yes.
ICT stands for informational
Communication technology, yes.
technology, communication
Yeah.
technology. So, yeah, what's your background? What did you study?
I come from the business world. I started here in the university 4 years ago, and before that I studied to be in information and communication technology engineer. And next May I'll get my teacher's license also. So
Okay, so you will get your teacher's license.
yes.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
Nice.
So that's my background. I brought with me some of the skills from the business world to the school world. So
Okay, and so what do you do? What's your job?
here in university, my job is the research and development ICT use in education. So I try to study how to use technology or ICT in education for teachers to teach and for students how to learn and use it. And I also teach the skills how to use ICT in education for our teachers and our students and also the university students who wants to be a teacher.
So the future teachers, like the one that are studying in universities right now, they have courses with you how to use technology.
Yes, and before they can come here to learn the skills to be a teacher, I have orientation with them. So I try to help them to have the knowledge and from the pedagogical view how to use the technology and give the opportunities for the students to use it. So
Okay, and what do you realize? Are they comfortable with technology?
it depends. Like the first graders, they have they are used to be like in front of the classroom. Perhaps they have the
Traditional?
traditional way, and after the few years after studying here and having the training over here, they don't have any they are not afraid to use the technology if it helps students to learn better.
So you think that with the activities that you have, you lead with those future teachers, it helps them to change their approach when they will become teachers?
Yes, I think so.
So can we conclude saying that it's important in the teacher's program to have access to a curriculum or an ICT designer to help them design lesson plans including technology?
I think that's very important if we want to make the global change or country-wide change. It's very important that the future teachers think to the future, not looking past and making their lesson plans and so on.
Okay. So this is for future teachers?
Yes.
And for teachers that are actual licensed teachers, What do you do for them? What do you do with them?
They have all the time like ongoing professional learning. We are having one-to-one lessons with our teachers, and then we have like group lessons, all the teachers together, and we are learning new skills. We are talking about the use of technology, and they are giving good examples what worked in the classroom and what didn't work, and we are all the time sharing the knowledge with each other. So there isn't like all the teachers are doing their own thing. They are all the time sharing their ideas and knowledge and their skills to each other. And if we are doing something new and big thing, I go and help with them. I go into the classroom, so the teacher, they don't have to be afraid of the use of technology. They can concentrate on the pedagogy, and I can help them help them to start using like the new thing or services.
So basically, if I'm correct from what I heard from you, is that what the most important thing is? It's pedagogy first,
Yes.
and then from what they are aiming as teachers, what their goal is as a teacher
Yes.
to foster learning with their student, then you will provide them with the right tools.
Yes, we are always talking about their goals, what they are teaching, and how to implement technology in that. Like, let's say in the new Finnish curriculum, there's coding from the first class, and how we can use coding or programming in language learning, in mathematics, like in history or anything like that. So we try to be very open-minded and have the technology blended in learning, not just now we are using technology, now we are learning mathematics. They are all the same and everything happens same time.
Okay, cool. Right now we are in, what is it? It's a maker space here?
Yes, called tuumaamo. It's like,
What does it
in
mean?
English, like thinking or something like that.
Okay, thinking
Yeah.
like to play, like we say in French, patenter ou bricoler. It's like fixing things.
Yeah, it's like tuumaamo isn't like, it isn't even right Finnish. Or it's like when you're like thinking something.
Okay.
It's the same thing.
Okay,
Yeah.
thinking with an H, like
Yes.
TH, not TI, because
Yeah.
TIKING.
Yeah, not tinkering, but thinking.
Okay, thinking.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's it.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, so and what can you describe us what you have around here? What's
Yes. Yeah, we've faced a problem after 5 years ago. Every student and teacher got their one-to-one tablet computer, and after a few years, when our school culture changed, we faced a problem. We had old classrooms with like chairs and tables like lined up, and they didn't give any opportunities for group working or like free project-based learning. So we started to change our old classroom for the 21st century skills and like for teamwork and for projects where you can just plan your things, have your group up in different kind of places, and just give opportunities for different kind of work for our students. And I think that really worked very well, because those like our old computer labs, nobody really used them anymore. So now when we change these old like computer labs for modern learning, they are like used every day.
okay? And what do you have here? See, virtual reality.
Yes, okay, we have different kind of things. Here we have like virtual reality and some augmented reality things, 3D printing, green screen, so you can make your movie projects here. We have lots of different kind of like robotics for programming and different kind of things where you can learn different kind of skills. You build something and combine it with like programming or some materials like play piano with bananas or something like that.
Piano, banana.
Yeah.
Playing piano with banana.
Yeah, we try to offer something for every grade. Like first graders, they can make their pianos from bananas or something like that. A little bit funny, and they get like the experience of building things and small, easy block-based programming, and then the little bit older students, they can build more complex things from the robots and combine it with augmented reality and with some little bit more harder programming.
What we see here, the Tuomamo.
Yes, Tuomama. Yes.
Tuomama. Do we find that in other schools as well, or it's not yet into every schools in Finland?
Yeah, but we have talked about this model in Finland for last 3 years in different kind of exhibitions and presentations and so on, and we see this kind of change in many different schools in Finland. So they are not using their computer labs anymore. So if you go to the new just built school in Finland, there isn't any computer labs anymore. There are open spaces, and you can take your laptop or tablet computer to there. So I have seen the change in Finnish schools. They are making the same kind of things all over Finland.
Well, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you. It was very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.